Here are my top tips to keep your e-ride running smooth for longer. Number 1, keep your bike or scooter dry and clean. Make sure there's no dirt, dust or mud anywhere. Number 2, always keep your tires at the right inflated pressure. If you're not sure what it is, check the sidewall of the tire. Every tire has it written on it. Number 3, always go over all your nuts and bolts. Make sure that they are not loose and they're tight. However, always be careful to make sure you do not round any Allen keys, nuts or bolts, as this will void your warranty on that component. Number 4, avoid leaving your scooter or e-bike on charge for too long. This can damage the battery if you leave them on charge for extended periods. Number 5, really important, if you're going to store your scooter or e-bike away for an extended period of time, maybe you're going on a holiday, make sure you put it away in a 75% charge state at least. If you put it away in a low state of charge, that can damage the battery. Number 6, make sure you ride your scooter or e-bike within its limits and what it's designed for. Don't go riding it outside what it's designed for, because this could cause some issues. Number 7, really important, check and test your brakes occasionally. A lot of people ride around barely using their brakes because they don't travel fast, but then when they need to use them real heavily, they realise that they're not up to standard. So, weekly, do a brake test, a hard brake. Number 8, one of the most important, make sure you get your e-ride serviced professionally annually. Here at Electric Kicks, we have a full setup workshop to look after you, and we have a nationwide service network that can help you out. So they are my top tips to keep your e-ride running for as long as possible, as smooth as possible.